Animals that can kill in under 60 seconds. Some animals hunt, some animals chase, and some animals end everything before their victim even understands what's happening. In the wild, death is rarely dramatic. It is fast, silent, efficient. There are creatures on this planet capable of killing in under 60 seconds. Not because they are angry, but because evolution shaped them to be perfect at it. Venom that shuts down the nervous system. Jaws that crush bone instantly. Ambush predators that strike before the brain can register danger. This documentary explores animals that don't give you time to escape. And as we count them down, ask yourself one question. Would you even realize what was happening? If you're fascinated by the deadliest secrets of nature, subscribe now, because what you're about to see only gets more dangerous. The box jellyfish. The box jellyfish is widely considered the most venomous animal on Earth. Found in warm coastal waters of the Indo-Pacific, including Australia and Southeast Asia, this creature drifts silently just beneath the surface. Its body can grow up to 10 inches wide, with tentacles extending more than 10 feet long. But its true danger lies in invisibility. The box jellyfish is almost completely transparent, making it nearly impossible to see in the water. Swimmers often make contact before realizing it's there, and by then, the attack has already begun. Each tentacle is covered in millions of microscopic stinging cells called nematocysts. These act like tiny venom-filled harpoons, firing instantly upon contact. The venom attacks the heart, nervous system, and skin simultaneously. Pain is immediate and overwhelming. Victims often describe it as the most intense pain imaginable. In severe cases, the venom can cause cardiac arrest in just minutes, sometimes before the person even reaches shore. What makes the box jellyfish so deadly is not aggression, it's efficiency. Its venom evolved to instantly paralyze small fish so they don't escape in ocean currents. Fun fact: despite having no brain, the box jellyfish has 24 eyes, allowing it to detect obstacles and light, making it one of the most visually advanced invertebrates on Earth. In under 60 seconds, this drifting predator can shut down the human body completely. The inland taipan. Deep in the arid deserts of Australia lives a snake so venomous that one bite contains enough toxin to kill over 100 adult humans. The inland taipan, sometimes called the fierce snake, can grow up to 8 feet long and is built for speed, precision, and efficiency. Unlike snakes that rely on intimidation, the inland taipan strikes fast, often delivering multiple accurate bites in seconds. Its venom is a powerful mix of neurotoxins, myotoxins, and clotting agents. This venom shuts down muscles, stops breathing, and causes internal bleeding almost simultaneously. Its diet explains its lethality. The inland taipan primarily hunts fast-moving rodents in harsh desert environments. If prey escapes, the snake may not eat for weeks. Evolution solved this problem by making its venom act incredibly fast. Fun fact: despite being the most venomous snake on Earth, inland taipans are extremely shy and rarely encounter humans. In the wild, hesitation means starvation. This snake never hesitates. The Cape buffalo. The Cape buffalo is not a predator, yet it kills more people in Africa than lions. Weighing up to 2,000 pounds and standing nearly 6 feet tall, this animal is built like a tank. Found across African savannas and grasslands, it lives in large herds that defend one another aggressively. Its diet is simple: grass, but its behavior is anything but. Cape buffalo are notoriously unpredictable and territorial. They remember threats and have been known to ambush predators, including lions, days later. When threatened, they don't flee, they charge. A full-speed buffalo charge can break bones, crush organs, and kill in seconds. Fun fact: Cape buffalo are sometimes called Black Death by hunters due to their aggressive reputation. In under a minute, raw mass and rage turn deadly. The saltwater crocodile. the saltwater crocodile is the largest living reptile on Earth. Growing up to 23 feet long and weighing over 2,000 pounds, this apex predator rules rivers, estuaries, and coastal waters across Southeast Asia and northern Australia. Its hunting strategy is simple: patience. Crocodiles can remain motionless for hours, with only their eyes visible above water. When prey approaches, the attack is explosive. With a bite force exceeding 3,700 psi, the crocodile clamps down instantly. Escape is nearly impossible. The victim is dragged underwater and spun violently in a maneuver known as the death roll. Fun fact: crocodiles can replace each tooth up to 50 times in their lifetime. Once grabbed, survival is measured in seconds. The black mamba: fast, aggressive, intelligent. The black mamba can grow over 14 feet long and move at speeds exceeding 12 miles per hour. Unlike most snakes, it does not retreat easily. Its venom is neurotoxic, shutting down the nervous system and stopping breathing in minutes without treatment. The black mamba's diet includes birds and small mammals, prey that must be killed quickly before escaping. Fun fact: the black mamba is named for the black interior of its mouth, which it displays as a warning. Multiple strikes can occur in seconds. The hippopotamus. Despite appearing calm, hippos are among the most dangerous mammals on Earth. Hippos combine raw mass, jaw strength, and speed into a lethal package. Their bites exert incredible pressure, capable of breaking bones and causing instant fatal injuries. In their aquatic domain, they can swim silently, positioning themselves to strike without warning. Weighing up to 3,000 pounds, hippos are extremely territorial. Their massive jaws open nearly 180 degrees, revealing teeth designed for combat, not feeding. They can outrun humans on land and overturn boats in seconds. Despite being herbivores, hippos' behavior illustrates that lethality doesn't always come from hunting. Sometimes the deadliest aspect of an animal is defensive aggression. Fun fact: hippos can hold their breath underwater for up to 5 minutes, allowing them to ambush intruders or escape threats with unmatched stealth. Most attacks happen quickly, with fatal force. In the wild, understanding hippo behavior is essential for survival, a lesson often learned too late by humans or rival animals. The stonefish. The stonefish is the most venomous fish in the world. In shallow coral reefs across the Indo-Pacific, one of the deadliest fish in the world lies hidden in plain sight: the stonefish. Perfectly camouflaged among rocks and coral, it waits motionless for unsuspecting prey. Step too close and disaster strikes. Its dorsal spines inject venom capable of causing excruciating pain, paralysis, and even heart failure. A single step can deliver a lethal dose within seconds. This venom evolved not for humans, but to instantly immobilize small fish and invertebrates, prey that might escape in a heartbeat. Fun fact: stonefish venom can remain deadly even after the fish has died. Nature's landmine. The tiger. The tiger is the ultimate ambush predator. The tiger is one of the most feared predators in the animal kingdom, and for good reason. Unlike predators that rely on speed alone, the tiger relies on stealth, strategy, and precision. Its stripes break up its outline in tall grass, allowing it to approach prey unnoticed until it is too late. Reaching 10 feet in length and weighing over 600 pounds, tigers rely on silence. Their striped coats break up their outline in tall grass, allowing them to get within striking distance unnoticed. Their hunting strategy is a masterpiece of timing. A bite to the neck can crush the spinal cord or suffocate prey in seconds. Tigers rarely miss when executing this ambush. One strike, one kill, faster than the eye can follow. Fun fact: no two tigers have the same stripe pattern. From venom to brute force, these animals share one truth: speed decides survival. If you want more deep dive wildlife documentaries like this, subscribe now. Because in the wild, hesitation is fatal. Speed is survival. 60 seconds is an eternity, unless you're the prey. If you enjoyed this deep dive into nature's fastest killers, subscribe now for more deadly documentaries. Because in the wild, hesitation is fatal.